How many of now we see the tori of the man with the sentence where they get this thing with his daughters?
They me on know with the daughters.
In 3 daughters.
That is.
In 3 daughters.
I say people they sick because this one a past mental sickness. So this one very spiritually conscious.
Yeah, different purpose day to this thing. Not be today all this kind of things that you don't take. Some they get ritual with the inside.
Very spiritual.
Why some? I feel saying a mental case, but majority of them when I don't come across in the past until now, a lot of spiritual reasons they inside.
But mental problem follow.
Yes, we're not the ruler that mental one.
Mental,
we say
because
mental
people know
problem
well.
Igwe, the spiritual governs the physical. That spiritual angle. So I know. Wait, not be one, not be two. The three.
The three. Ask somebody when normal go be PM like this, and we go sleep with Chrisuma. Normal person, they go just they go dodge a Chrisuma, go sleep with her. Be they never hear that one too. That one are because of say you didn't mentor with her.
And some too na causes, you get some kind to him say go don't do some kind people.
Although if it's be caught.
Yes.
Because that one has still spiritual arrangement.
Join
the spiritual arrangement plenty.
They loaded.
They loaded. It could be anyone.
Because if not be spiritual, it's not possible to make it happen for physical.
Anyway, this particular guy then say Ademola Oladimeji then sentenced him to life imprisonment for sexually assaulting in 3 children. Them, and then waiting they pay me the ages of these children. Now 5, 7, and 9.
God,
Wait,
5, 7, and 9. Yeah, so, and 9 is and then the person.
That's spiritual. That's just spiritual.
Ritual, and then talk say say even though he no using machine gun, now 9 they use on top the children.
Yeah. But it's normal.
It's not normal now. It's not normal.
When I say make animal take over as a turn, I would say robots don't start.
No. The animal will take over for some people.
Never
to some people
do this kind.
It's really painful. And then I go say big shout out to Lagos State. I go definitely hail them because if to say that one, Lagos State they answer.
Yes.
Then they answer. And then they answer. And 247 they talk them. Yeah. You be that person will get disability or will they experience domestic or sexual violence. Some people they take advantage of people where they get disability.
Yes, now their target with that.
Yes, and they say you fit call their number. This one they no send me, but I just need to do this one for Lagos State. I just need to do this one for Lagos State. Yeah, you fit just call their phone number. Will be 0800 08000 333 333 08000 333 333. Now, toll-free line, I think. Okay, no be toll-free. But then you feel call them to tell them anything where they go through. And then anybody where they evolve, where they do you anyhow, where they touchlight you, where they do anyhow to you, you fit report that person. And would they tell you true? Say, if they say not that one, then they walk.
Lagos State is number 1 for the...
Give them to Lagos State.
Exactly.
Give them to Lagos State.
Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency.
All these things they happen for other
1
states.
It happen for other states, but they know they do anything now.
Quiet.
They don't do anything. But the one where they pay me pass now, sometimes now the victim themselves will go come tell you, say no, say make you know. No.
That one, it always happen if you be say the person they influential. You know, say
no be only influential. You get one girl when I know this December. The husband propose her for November. She can't carry her bag, come out. See she no do again. November. Because all of us don't talk. The guy propose her for November. Now she talks, say, I've had enough. Now she carry her bag, waka come out. December, now she send all of us message. Thank you for... I don't give message.
For your concern.
Yes. Say,
for your
me
advice.
And my husband, we've reconciled our differences. And then, that's it. That's it. That's my head just...
They don't use me settle tire now.
Now I could tell myself, anyway, me I know they put mouth, sha. But you know what thing I dey always tell people? You see that one where dey your heart where you want to do. Even after when I don't tell you, talk to you finish, I go still tell you say, that one where you want do, now he make you do. Because now you then go, once they come lie down for bed, two of them lie down for bed. Then go say, no mind that useless. Yes, now. No mind that useless yo. Now you, now, he say make I leave you now. I know they tell anybody to leave anybody. Once I don't talk to you, tell you finish, I go still tell you say, that one, make you go ahead.
When it do your mind, so
make you do am. Make you do am. Will they come back? No go anywhere.
Chook pounds. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.